Hare Krishna, welcome. Please join in the recitation of sloka, 12th chapter, 9th sloka.
अथ चित्तं समाधातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय.
Krishna, in answer to the question of Arjuna, he is giving so many explanations about devotion. Let us all see that together. He talks about devotion, the devotees, what the devotees should do, what are the steps they should follow, and how they can become dear to him. These are the summaries of the different topics Krishna is handling in response to Arjuna's question. So elaborate. Till now, Krishna talked about the devotees, their types, and the routes they each of them take. Now, he is telling about the choices to the devotees. First, he asked for fixing the mind in himself, so that mind is concentrating on Krishna. And that is the first choice he gave. Now, as an alternative, if the person is not able to fix his mind on Krishna continuously, then Krishna says, follow the regulative principles. See, there are different types of people. Even students, the classy students who get first rank, second rank, third rank, gold medal, you will find there are different methods of reaching the high position. One need not be the same as the other. They are two thinking individuals. So, all the people may not be able to fix their minds on Krishna. So, Krishna does not reject them. So, in Sanatana Dharma, we are given umpteen number of choices. You can even scold God, you can follow Nastikam, denying of God. You can do anything. You can criticize the Hinduism or Sanatana Dharma, but there is no ban. But Krishna himself says you follow. If that is not possible, he gives alternative, easy alternative. So he says regulative principle. What are regulative principles? Rising early. It's a principle. Having come to devotion, I'll get up at 9 o'clock only daily if you say, then why come to devotion? You be there, continue whatever you have been doing. So rising early, even science and our practices say early to bed, early to rise. So there is no denying that fact. Then go to temple. So temple, one's devotion is centered on the temple. So all your activities, the people who can not do fixing of minds and think of Krishna and devotion, dedication, the alternative route is given. So they have to go to temple, clean the premises, cook foodstuffs for visiting devotees, etc. In what happened when they were hiding, Panchapandavas in the 13th year, Bhima could cook. Bhima could also take care of the horses. But Bhima's job was given as cooking only. Like that, everybody, as per their capacity, they choose their idea of doing that principles to follow. So, when they can even do a mala of collecting flowers and so many things they can chant, they should chant and pray. Now, the word used for pure devotion is without deviation. Now, let us see what the joke is between Keshav, the MD, Madhav, the MD, and Manta. Manta is working in the garden. Keshav and Madhav are sitting in the garden. Every 5 minutes, Keshav turns and said, green side up. Madhav was wondering, why are you saying that? You know, that fellow has limited understanding. If we don't say green side up every 5 minutes, his mind gets deviated he puts the green side down and fixes the plant there with the root up. So this is how his mind is limited, the limited space of his attention. We have to keep on reminding him about green side being up. Hare Krishna.